forces out. Express strike. Pass to begin. Moving up on the outside. Naman. And on the outside, Master Professor. Royal Rose moving up in the middle. Then followed by Firehouse. Not on the inside comes number 2, Prospector Scott. Jugadera, Silver Chocho, Castaway. Then followed over on the inside by Join the Saints. And going along for the first turn, Royal Rose takes the lead by about 3 lengths. Prospector Scott now moving up to take second. Alongside third, Master Professor. Express Strike is racing in fourth. And in fifth, Firehouse naman. Jugadera moving up on the outside. Then next on line, Silver Chocho, Castaway, Sound of the Wind, Join the Saints. While B Smart is racing and dance inside the 3 octavo. We have a Royal Rose this time by about 3 lengths. And in second is Prospector Scott. Firehouse now coming closer on the outside. Royal Rose, Prospector Scott. Firehouse moving up on the outside like a house on fire. It's now Firehouse by about 2 lengths. And in second is Prospector Scott. Racing in third, Express Strike as they come down the last 150. Firehouse, Prospector Scott is by trail. And in third, Express Strike. Last 75 meters. Firehouse, Prospector Scott is once again. And finally it's Prospector Scott, Firehouse, Castaway, then comes Express Strike, Silver Chocho,